The seriously powerful Asus Zenbook Pro 14 Duo OLED is made with content creators in mind. You get not just one but two gorgeous OLED displays. The first one is your 14.5-inch beautiful OLED with a 93% body to display ratio with a 120Hz refresh rate. The second is the Asus ScreenPad Plus. Coming together, both displays enable some of the neatest creator workflows you can find right now. Supporting the displays are Intel Core i7 12th generation processors, creator-grade NVIDIA GPUs, and Asus iSchool Plus technology to keep you running as long as you need. With an array of full I/O ports, the Asus ErgoSense keyboard and touchpad, a 76 Wh long-lasting high-capacity battery, and weighing just 1.7 kilos, the Zenbook Pro 14 Duo OLED puts its rivals in the shade, making it the ultimate compact OLED laptop for the discerning creator. Check out the Asus store online for their big November sale for discounts of up to 30%.